So yes, the decision is fully legal. Perhaps I could explain that the constitutional provisions in our Bill of Rights provide what I like to call a ceiling. The Constitution says everyone is guaranteed the right to life. Then it provides an exception to the effect that where there is a decision of a court of competent jurisdiction that allows for execution to take place, then an execution would take place pursuant to that. We had in our statute book the death penalty for capital offenses. And what essentially we did was to say, let's take away the possibility of a court pronouncing a death sentence for anybody by repealing the provisions in the Penal Code and the Criminal Procedure Code, such that no court can then pronounce a death penalty going forward, following the assent of the amendment bills that were put before the floor of the House. And so with effect from 23rd December 2022, when the President assented to the bills that were before the House, there is no longer in the statute book any provision that allows for a court to pronounce a death sentence for capital offenses. The capital offenses were murder, treason, and aggravated robbery. The process that was taken required that an amendment bill be put before the floor of the House in Parliament. It was fully debated, went through the 3 reading stages, because there are 3 reading stages under our provisions of the law. And Parliament approved the amendment bills, with the consequence that it was only left for the President to assent to those bills, and that was done last Friday. We are very, very grateful for that political will, and as I said earlier, a very bold step in the whole scheme of things.